73 centimeters.
73 over 80. Okay. So, pagpapalitan na lang natin, that is 80 is equal to 73 over 35 degrees and 20 minutes. Ayan. So that is, what is the value of 35 and 20?
0.81.
0.81. Hindi ka muna. Dinarasan nyo na?
Oo.
Ano ang 35, 20? 35.33. Okay. So that is 73 over
81.58.
81.58. Which is equal to?
Equals 35.
89.48.
Okay, so we have 89.48 centimeters. So, ang 80 natin ay equal din also by BB. So, yan. Meron tayong value ng ating 80 and BB. Ano pa ang missing? CD. So, we have CD. So, ang hinahanap natin ngayon ay small letter A. So, ano siya? Opposite over. Ano nga yung dito natin? Over adjacent. So, opposite over adjacent, that is what function? Tangent. Yes, tangent.
A over B.
A over B.
73.
So, tangent A is equal to
A over B.
1.
CD over AC.
Sanay.
So, we have tangent 35 degrees and 20 minutes. So, we have CD over, anong AC natin? 73. So, we have CD is equal to
73 tangent.
Tangent 35 degrees.
20.
Or 35.3333. So, 73 times, anong tangent 35?
0.7089.
89. Then,
73 times.
51.75.
okay, so we have 51.75 centimeters. So that is the value of your CD.
Daming number.
Maintindihan. Medyo